welcome to Cat's News. Today I'm going to be talking about something cats might find good to do for today. So today it's going to be milk. I've asked y'all to get some. You guys should all go bug mommy for some because that was so good. Okay, well that's it for today, and tune in next time for more for cats to do.